Alright, so to get them apart, just gotta loosen up the top here with the 14. And then that just slides off. And leaves you with that. And then you need to grab a 17. And you're gonna place it on top there with a 5mm Allen head. And then you're just gonna bump that off. Shouldn't be super tight. You can just slide that off. Washer comes off. And all that should slide off with it. And then you can pull the spring off. So you just throw that bump stop back on. Put your little cover on there. Throw on the spring. And then you got your washer, camber plate, your other washer, bolt, and then same process, putting it back on. And then it does not need to be on there very tight, just as long as it's good and snug. And then tighten that up. And just give it a little bump. Alright, so with the spanner wrenches, you're going to break these loose. You're going to tighten the upper one to the point of where you can't really tighten it anymore, just by hand. So I got this tight just by hand, just sliding it up. You're going to bring the lower up to the point where that's snug, and then you're going to set the preload, and that's going to be about the width of the wrench here. So what you do is you keep this one here, and you're just going to tighten the spring side. Alright, so that's perfect there. So now the preload's set. Now you're just gonna tighten these up together. And that's it.